Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate RNGR18 STG2 audio kit is an impressive upgrade for any powersport vehicle, combining functionality and high-quality sound. This kit includes the PMX 1 receiver and M0 series speakers, both designed to withstand rugged conditions while delivering outstanding audio performance. The PMX 1 receiver is a standout feature, offering Bluetooth connectivity that allows for seamless streaming from smartphones and other devices. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through playlists and adjust settings on the go. The 400-watt amplifier provides ample power to the speakers, ensuring that sound remains clear and vibrant, even at higher volumes. Additionally, the receiver is weather-resistant, which is crucial for outdoor adventures, as it can handle rain and splashes without compromising performance. The M0 series speakers are another highlight of this kit. Their robust construction makes them ideal for off-road environments, with marine-grade materials that resist corrosion and UV damage. The sound quality is impressive, with a well-rounded bass response and crisp highs. This allows for a rich audio experience, whether you are riding on rugged trails or relaxing by the campfire. Installation is relatively straightforward, thanks to the comprehensive instructions and included mounting hardware. However, it may require some basic tools and a bit of DIY spirit. Those who are less experienced with audio installations might want to consider professional help, although many users report a successful self-installation. Overall, the Rockford Fosgate RNGR18 STG2 audio kit is an excellent investment for those looking to enhance their powersport audio experience. The combination of durable construction, powerful sound, and user-friendly features makes it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you are hitting the trails or enjoying a day on the water, this audio kit ensures that your favorite tunes are always within reach, providing an exhilarating soundtrack for your adventures.